Good morning. Today we are going to take basic English. As we can see in the whiteboard, we have here parts of a speech: nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, and past. First, we can deal with nouns. What do we mean by nouns? Nouns, we have like Ali, Baghdad, Waziriya, and so on. Verbs, anything that has an action, okay, like play, like, do, and so on. Adjectives, anything that gives an information to a noun, it will be an adjective. Like we can see, black pen. This is an adjective. Adjective, then the noun. Adverb, it has many meanings, but simply we are dealing with basic English. We can say the adverb is giving more information about the verb. As we can say, he walks slowly, or she walks fast. So, slowly, fast, sometimes, ever, never, usually, these are all adverbs. Now, we can deal with prepositions. What are the prepositions? On, in, at, and so on. Past, as we all know, past is the simply the past form of the verb. It deals with verbs, and past is we have regular, irregular, and so on. Like, such as like, liked, or play, played. These are the regular verbs, but irregular verbs is, was, and so on. These are summary about the parts of speech, and we have to take control of these basic English. These are very, very crucial or important. Now, we come to these three main verbs: verb to be, have, and do. Verb to be, these are the three main sharp verbs. As we can say, this knife is sharp. It means very, very, very hard, or it's very useful to use it, and so on. So, these are the most common used verbs in English. Verb to be, as we can say, we have so many kinds of verbs to be, or it has so many as we can use it. Verb to be: am, is, are, was, and were. These are for the past, and these are for the present. Now, have, it has verb has for he, she, it pronouns, and had for the past. Do, does, and did for the past, and does for he, she, it. Now, if we want to say an example about am or is, and we are going to summarize one of the basic rules in English, one of the core rules in English, we have to use our imagination. We can simply say that this is a simple story. If we say that he and she, it, these are all pronouns. They are all living in one house. So they have all agreed about one condition. Everyone enters their house. It must has an S at the end of any verbs. Simply verbs. We are going to deal with verbs. If we say has, so has, can has enter their house? Of course. Why? If we prove it, how can we prove it? Simply when we say he has a pen, he has a bag, he has a shirt, and so on. So, this is about the verb have. Now, if we want to say is, also. He is a student. She is a lawyer, and so on. So now we take the verb does. She does her homework. He does his homework, and so on. Or any sentence we like. We can choose any sentence, okay? After this, they make a fence in order not any verb enters their house. So this is the first rule in English. The third person singular. It seems to be very hard in using English, but after this, you can control and you can be dominant in English. You can be, you can get so many. You can say so many sentences in English after controlling or after taking control of this rule. This is a very, very important and a crucial rule. Thank you so much.